Hey guys, my name is Emma and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight. Technology is done right. So today we are going to take a look at the Aigo Aurora C3 fans. Okay, so these fans are really premium guys. They look premium but they are so damn cheap. So to tell you what comes in the box, we have the controller. So there are actually two versions of these Aurora fans, which is the C3 and C5. So in the C3 we have 3 fans and the C5 we have 5 fans. So that's the only difference. And yeah, I opted for the 3 fans version as my case can only fit 3 fans for now. So yeah, so we have the Aurora C3 with 3 fans, a controller, and surprisingly a Velcro, so we can mount the controller wherever we want in the case. So yeah, okay, so to talk about the quality of the fans, they are very durable and the colors just pop guys. And also, as I said in the start, that it has a premium look to it. I'm going to be shush now and I'll play a video running down through all the modes, and you can see on your top left hand side there'll be a mode counter to see all the colors and patterns. So enjoy guys. Okay guys, and yeah, actually from the video you can see that it has quite a number of patterns and colors. Also, the controller connects up to 8 fans guys, and it's powered through a Molex connector. So actually the fan has specific connector on them, so they can only be connected through the controllers, which is actually a bummer. But yeah, if you get these fans, you need to have a controller to connect them up. If not, you'll be unable to run them. The controller also has a port for your reset button, which you can then connect your reset button to the controller and control the fans mode by just clicking the button on your case, which is superb and really convenient for me in my point of view, as I can just connect them and just from outside of the case I can just click the reset button and the modes will keep on changing. If not, if you don't have a reset button or your reset button is spoiled for some reason, you will need to open your side panel every time to reach for the controller, or if you're smart enough to mod it, you can bring the controller to the outside of the case so you can control all the fan speed and the color and all that. Talking about the speed, you can also control the pattern speed. So as you've seen in the video just now, the speed is just constant. I didn't mess with the speed or anything, but you can change the speed of the patterns. Also on that topic of speed, the fan speed can be controlled through the controller, guys. So it has only two options, sadly. The one is fast and one is slow, but I would recommend you to set it to fast, because when I put it on slow it is silent, like dead silent, but my PC heated up like not even 10 minutes. So yeah, I would recommend you to keep it on high speed so you can't hear the fans even though at that high level of speed. So yeah guys, I think that's about it. This is a super short review. I just want to talk about this fan, on how did I spend so little and get so good fans. So I would really, this video is not sponsored by the way, but I just really wanted, I wish they sponsor me. So yeah, these fans are really good quality, and you are actually paying less and you're getting more. So these fans are really good, and they also have versions where the controller has access to Wi-Fi, so you can connect up your controller to the Wi-Fi and you control the fan modes and patterns and colors with your phone. So yeah, I have a few links in the description below. You can click them, you can buy them from that links. By clicking on that link, you also support the channel. And yeah, I think that's about it guys. So please rate, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.